In this video, we will show you how to set up your Heimgard Hub PRO. The Heimgard Hub is the brain and heart of your smart home and security system with Heimgard Security. The Heimgard Hub PRO should be placed in close proximity to your internet router and a wall socket. The Heimgard Hub PRO is already equipped with an active SIM card, and a backup battery is included in the box. Before you start setting up your new Heimgard Hub PRO, it's important that you have downloaded the Heimgard app on your phone. The first step in setting up your new Heimgard Hub PRO is to insert the included battery. Connect the Ethernet cable from the Heimgard Hub PRO to your internet-connected home router. Remember to connect your hub to your router and not your modem. If your internet setup is different, visit heimgard.com or contact us. Then connect the power cable to the Heimgard Hub PRO and plug the power adapter into a wall socket. Make sure that your phone and hub are connected to the same network. You are now ready to pair your Heimgard Hub PRO to your app. Open the Heimgard app and choose the type of hub you are connecting. Click Add Phone button on the back side of your device. The device will now pop up in your app. It's time to configure your first project. Select Name, Project Image, and Device Name. You are now able to connect your Heimgard Hub PRO to a Wi-Fi network. First, disconnect the Ethernet cable from the hub. Then, open the Heimgard app and follow these steps. More. Gateway setting. Connectivity. Wi-Fi setup. Enable. Enter the Wi-Fi name and password. Press Apply to activate. After setting up your first project, you are ready to connect your smart products. Thank you for choosing Heimgard. Enjoy your new product. For further information, please visit our website, heimgard.com.